This is a quick overview of the Unity Access 7 app. Now you can see I already have a system added and it's called Bill, but I'll go ahead and show you how to add another one. Click on Add. We'll give this site a name. Then you can go ahead and add the IP address or the host name of the machine, however you're resolving to the machine. And if you have a specific port you're using, I'm using 443, but if you have something else, you can go ahead and use that. And then you'll go ahead and add your username and whatever password you're using. Then you'll scroll to the bottom and simply click Add. After you've added the site, you can go ahead and click Connect and connect to the site. A message will pop up telling you it's connecting to the appliance, and once it finally does, you're in the appliance. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete one. If you go ahead and click on it again, you can click Edit and then Delete, and that removes it from your system. I'll go ahead and log into this Bill system here. And once I hit Connect, you'll see I have three options here. I have Global Actions, Doors, and Identities. I'll start with Identities. And you see if I scroll all the way through, I see all the identities that are in my system. I can go to the top and I can hit Search, or I can select a specific identity. And scrolling through, you can see all the different options. You can see what their token is currently set to, when it's set to expire, the last door it was active on. In the transaction section, you can see all the different transactions that are listed. You can see what roles this person has access to. And under groups, you can see what groups it's tied to. If I click on the top next to the picture, it says active. You'll see I have a bunch of different options there, and I can go ahead and make this person inactive if I choose, or I can go ahead and make them active if they were inactive. The next section we'll take a look at is the Doors section, and you can get to that by clicking the bottom where it says Doors. And you can go ahead and search for a door at the top, or you can scroll through with your finger. And you can see once you select the door, you have a couple different options. You can see the real-time status of the door. You can see the current transactions. And if you see here, there's a little grant access icon. If I click that, it will go ahead and unlock the door, doing a momentary unlock for that particular door. And if I go back to my main doors section by hitting the back arrow in the top left corner, you can see I can make a little star next to any one of these doors. Then if I go to the top and click my favorites, that door will be listed under my favorites. So if you have a particular set of doors that you're always working with, you can mark them as your favorites and have easy access to them. And you can do that for each section here. As you can see, you can do that with the global actions as well. Now under your global actions, you have a couple different options. This is where you can actually trip a lockdown scenario. And I can simply do that by just clicking this run icon. And what that will do will trigger my lockdown sequence, and you can see all the different actions that it allows to happen. And after the lockdown is complete, I can go back to my global actions section and I can reverse the lockdown. And all the different actions that are applied are listed below there. So there you have it. It's a quick overview of the Unity Access 7 app, which is available in your app store today. Thanks for watching.